Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. We have received lots of inquiry from students and parents for MBBS courses in Bangladesh. I am Ravi, I am working as Business Development Manager. I have total experience of 7 years. I welcome you all on our YouTube channel, ITCS Overseas Education, your study abroad partner. International Training and Consulting Services was established in November 2014 in Bangalore. ITCS has sent close to 550 plus students since the past few years. It provides the perfect guidance to choose the best university and courses as we are tied up with 15 countries and 105 universities in overseas. It is a proud moment for us that we have awarded as best consultant. We have successfully completed the departure of Russia, Poland, Germany and Ukraine in this pandemic situation. One more departure of Kazakhstan is pending, which will be going to complete soon as per the government guidelines. Here we came with our new video on MBBS in Bangladesh. This video will help you to choose the colleges in Bangladesh. This video will help you to get the benefits in choosing Bangladesh for MBBS courses. What are the terms and conditions, or is there any criteria to take the admission in Bangladesh? What are the colleges available in Bangladesh for the MBBS courses, and what are the colleges which ITCS can recommend? As we all know that Bangladesh is our neighbor country, and same like India, it shares its border with Myanmar. Bangladesh got independence from Pakistan in 1977 and officially called as People's of Republic. Bangladesh is a Southern Asian country and count top 10 most populated nation in the world. The population of Bangladesh is approx 16.6 crore and density population is 1.26 thousand people per square kilometer. Bangladesh people have friendly attitude towards India. As per HSBC prediction, Bangladesh would be 26th largest economy in the world by 2030. Nowadays, Bangladesh has become a trend for Indian students who are looking for international medical career ahead. Study in Bangladesh is a good option for those aspirants who want to study abroad in the affordable budget. Now, why to choose Bangladesh? We have to choose Bangladesh as all the education is in English medium till PG. The local language is Bengali, but all the local community can easily understand English, which plays an advantage for the Indian students. In Bangladesh having highest MCI passing ratio, which plays an also a big advantage for the students who are looking for the MBBS courses in Bangladesh. In Bangladesh, we have the best clinical exposure. As we all know, Bangladesh is a densely populated, so patient flow is good, which helps students to gain more clinical exposure. Bangladesh accepts 5,000 plus international students every year, out of that 2,000 plus are Indian students. This is the map of the Bangladesh in which we are trying to show in which state which colleges are available. There are lots of different states like Rangapur, Rajshahi, Sylhet, Dhaka, Komila. So we have located all the medical college as per their state. Key points for the admission. The degree which you will get from the Bangladesh is definitely MBBS, and the duration is 5 years plus 1 year of internship, and that internship is valid in India. The eligibility criteria is 8.0 GPA, which we will understand in the next slide in deep. So, is there any criteria for the admission in Bangladesh? Yeah, there is a criteria to take admission in the Bangladesh is the student must not have a gap of more than 1 year after the completion of 12th class, and the minimum GPA which is required is 8 pointer. How to calculate GPA? So I request you all, before applying to any college in Bangladesh, please calculate your GPA in your home so that you can easily understand that you are eligible for applying in the Bangladesh or not. Suppose any student who secure 80 to 100 marks in subject, so the grade point will become 5. In same way, if he secures 70 to 79, the grade point will be 4. If he secure 60 to 69, then the grade point will be 3.5. If a student secure 50 to 59 marks, so the grade point will be 3. 40 to 49 grade point will be 2, 33 to 39 grade point will be 1. So on the basis of this grade point, we will calculate the GPA. In class 12th, any students who secure 70 marks in the biology, then the GPA will become 4. Same like physics, if he secures 65, then GPA will be 3.5. In a chemistry, he secure 80, so the GPA will become 5. Now we have to add all these 3 GPA, that will become 12.5, and we have to divide it by 3, so the total GPA will become 4.1 in class 12th. Now for the class 10th, we have to choose best 5 subjects. For example, in English, if any student secures 65, the GPA will become 3.5. Same way in mathematics, if he secure 58, then GPA will be 3. In science, if he secures 75, the GPA will be 4. SST 82, then GPA will become 5. Hindi, if he secure 70 marks, then the GPA will be 4. Now we have to add all these 5 GPA and we have to divide it by the 5. So 19.5 divided by 5 will become 3.9. So final GPA calculation, which include 10th and 12th both. So now we have to add 10th GPA, that is 3.9, and 12th GPA that we have calculated earlier will be 4.5. So total, if it becomes 8, then you are eligible to take admission in Bangladesh. These are the top MBBS colleges in the Bangladesh. On the basis of the survey and on the basis of the student feedback and the parent feedback from lots of colleges in the Bangladesh, we have selected few colleges which any students can take the admission in Bangladesh. If any student who is willing to take admission in the Dhaka, then the options they have is Green Life Medical College, Popular Medical College, Delta Medical College, Universal Medical College. If any student who is looking outside the Dhaka, then the options they have is TMSS Medical College, Shilet Medical College, Mono Medical College, Prime Medical College, and Rangpur Medical College. If any students who are looking for less budgeted college, that is less than 35,000 USD, then they have 3 options. One is Bikrampur, one is US Bangla, and the third one is Brahmbaria Medical College. Other medical colleges of Bangladesh which you can take admission or which we can recommend also, that is SWMC Bangladesh, that is for the women's only. Aldeen Women's College, again it is for the women only. Then the third college we have is the Central Medical College, and the fourth one is the Parkview Medical College. In the next video, we will explain all the colleges in terms of their establishment, their benefits, and the fees structure. We will also show in the next video how you can check the approval for WHO and the Bangladesh Medical and Dental Council approval. Till then, please subscribe our channel and stay connected. Thank you.